Video we have been talking about communications, and there were two ways of communications, verbal and non-verbal communications. So I shall focus more on verbal communications, where let me start saying this to everybody. Verbal communication is not just a topic wherein being covered in your everyday profession life. Yes, totally, yes it is, but verbal communication also plays a major role in our personal life, where in day-to-day life verbal communication is been playing a role. Sometimes it's going to be in public, sometimes it's going to be in personal, sometimes it's going to be in intrapersonal, doesn't matter, but verbal communications are going to play a role. So how to really have such verbal communications effectively? Because everybody wants their communications should be where others should agree on their communications and should be really feel interesting. Yeah, if the person is talking, yeah, we love this hearing to the person. This is something everybody has some charms to do. This is totally yes, but for that there are few things where we need to include. So let me start saying this without wasting the time. What are the things which will help you to improvise your verbal communications? Before I start with this, I have a request to subscribe my channel. Please press this bell icon so you can get my notifications for my new topics that I'm going to cover. Like, comment and share with the people who really require this. Now, thank you for subscribing my channel. With this, I continue. Very important is verbal communications. Verbal communications is nothing but all the time we are going to convey some information to each other. This is something very basic thing we need to understand. But when conveying the information, there are few things we need to take care of. I won't go into the depth of it, but let me cover few basic things which will help you to go with and understand what is going to be a verbal communications. While conveying information or while talking to the person or while giving information to somebody, being a sender or a receiver, we need to have expressions. We need to have that emotions while speaking. Then only it can grab your attention to the person who is listening to you. There are few things you need to understand. Your personality, your gestures, your eye contact will help you to have an excellent way of verbal communications. Building a relationship is something which is a part of a verbal communications. How? It's totally with your gestures. This, while conveying the information, you need to showcase the information which you're providing is with a fact. This will really help you to build the relationship in our verbal communications. And if you are a good learner, then only you can become a good verbal communicator. Immediate feedback is really important. For instance, let's talk about verbal communications in a day-to-day life, where you are being there talking to your mother, you're talking to your spouse. Let's consider a question which is related to our personal life. So the time we speak, we immediately, if you are a good communicator or you are a good receiver, please be welcome to take the feedbacks. What will happen? As you know, the relations which I'm talking about are going to give you 110% of fact what exactly your speech conclusion was, or what did they understand, or they would like to change the particular things in your topic. This is really impactful. I'm talking about the personal life. As you know, mother will give you the excellent immediate feedback. Your spouse can give you immediate feedback. But for that, you need to be a good learner, good listener. This is the very important key. To be a good listener is something which will make you a good communicator. Please understand this. Now, this is something I talk about the personal life. Let's consider this in your profession life. In the profession life, if you're talking to your manager, you have been delivered the things whatever you wanted to. You can. In the last part, you can say directly, if you would like to give me some feedback, I'm welcome and I can add in my information. Person, people, designation will really help you to do so. And this really welcomes the person. That is very important. Okay, it really helps you to add. It really helps you to add such things. It will help you to have and promote your cultural exchange. It will help you to build your storytelling way of communicating. It will help you to enhance, understand, collaborate, and 200% your personal growth is going to be there. This is something for today. With this, I think this recording was really important and have given you some information which can build you with a good communicator. With this, give me the permission to end up for today's recording. Thank you.